We're walking.
No, stop it. No.
Come on.
I look like an asshole in some bathroom. Please stop.
Don't worry, I'm the escort village.
Everyone has one.
Yeah?
Okay, that's really awkward. Look the nature. Yes.
That's right.
Bravo. Congratulations.
Thanks.
So for what we are gonna talk?
I don't know.
Awesome.
What?
Same here. So
It's cream.
yes, she screamed like
Like her.
like yeah, she was like something like that. Yeah, something like that. This is my grandma.
Yeah.
She's
Sexy. She's sexy. Oh yeah.
But I was honestly my grandma.
Yeah. And from when you're lesbian?
I am tried. If I like girls, I like girls. If I like boys, I like boys.
Okay.
That's it. So let's speak for something.
Oh, so
We're
beautiful.
It's really beautiful, really. I don't know why when there is so much nature, you picture me.
Why not?
We go,
Yeah.
turn the camera on me. We go every
Sunday.
We go every week on some mountain, and it's really cool. I'm so excited. We're going to go to some, say the word, church.
Church.
One church, even that I'm not in.
Religion.
Show that. If someone,
I can't see it.
I can see it too. So anyway, we go and you're showing the sun.
Yeah.
This video maybe could be like 10 minutes or something.
I don't know.
Like all my videos. Blah, 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 and everything. Ah. Hey, so but I'm without makeup. My hair is like when I woke up right now.
But your cup is cool.
No, it's not.
It's
No, it's not. It's white. It's just a normal cap. I probably could steal some cap from Tom. Like if he has some purple one. Yes, he has. I remember he has. But I would for sure steal his old clothes, and we'll leave to him just the pink t-shirt and the green pants. Nothing else. I can imagine.
and underwear.
Yeah, green underwear.
Uh-huh.
But probably I could live in it. Yeah. But I'm gonna fuck with Chris Brown.
Show me your face.
No, I cannot. I have to say it again.
Okay, say it again.
Okay.
Okay. People do.
I'm gonna fuck with Chris Brown. I will. I promise this will be my challenge accepted. Yes. Just showing my ass. My ass and my pants look like Empire State Building.
How about mine? No, 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 no. Nee.
Yeah, give me the camera.
Nee.
Bish.
Don't insult me.
Insult me.
Oh, do you know British accent? No.
British.
British accent. Accent.
Attempt. I don't know why 50 cents call. It's 50 cents. Who will call?
50 cents and
I
50
don't know.
cents. $1.
No, it's not London.
50 cents.
We are not good in math, please.
50 cents. 50 less.
Yeah, that's right.
50 cents, $1.
I guess. Dobra. Anyway, so let's turn the camera. So, how are you guys? I want to
My
say
name is-
something to Nora. If the video is good, I want to say to Nora, even though they look really ugly. And from Ellie, Nora, you have. Yeah. Oh, come on, Ellie. Don't be rude.
Well, I said.
I love Nora. Give me the camera now.
No.
Give me the camera.
No.
Give me the
I
camera.
step it. Shut up.
Anyways,
Sure.
this was from